Maintaining and building relationship with mother and wife. Encourage open and honest communication with both your wife and mother. Ensure that they feel comfortable expressing their thoughts and feelings. Establish clear boundaries and expectations to avoid misunderstandings. This includes defining roles and responsibilities within the family. Actively listen to both your wife and mother. Pay attention to their needs, concerns, and opinions. This demonstrates respect and strengthens your connection with each of them. Express gratitude and appreciation regularly. Acknowledge the efforts and contributions of both your wife and mother in different aspects of your life. Spend quality time individually with your wife and mother. This helps build a stronger emotional connection and demonstrates your commitment to each relationship. Support your wife and mother in their endeavors and challenges. Offering encouragement and assistance fosters a sense of unity within the family. When conflicts arise, address them calmly and diplomatically. Avoid taking sides and work towards finding compromises that consider everyone's needs. Create family traditions that involve both your wife and mother. This can help build shared experiences and positive memories. Share household responsibilities and parenting duties. This collaborative approach prevents one person from feeling overwhelmed and reinforces a sense of partnership. If conflicts persist, consider seeking guidance from a family counselor or therapist. Professional assistance can provide insights and strategies for improving family dynamics. Acknowledge and respect the individuality of your wife and mother. Recognize that they may have different perspectives, interests, and ways of doing things. Celebrate important milestones and events together as a family. This strengthens the bond and creates positive memories. Focus on the positive aspects of each relationship. Avoid dwelling on minor issues and appreciate the overall value that both your wife and mother bring to your life. Strive for a balance between your time with your wife and mother. Ensure that neither relationship feels neglected. Strive for a balance between your time with your wife and mother. Ensure that neither relationship feels neglected. Please share, like, and subscribe.